life of a social media manager.
And I would show you a day in the life of a social media manager. Ayan, nagbablog ako pero yung friend ko dito nagsasalita. Oh. Ayan, no. Okay, so ito, tinan mo, nag-edit ako ng video bago kami umalis ni Kuya Bla. Hi Kuya Bla, hi ka sa mga constituents ko. Ayan, so sa mga constituents ko dyan, ito yung usually ginagawa ko. Una, nag-edit ako ng video kasi kailangan ko na itong ipakita kay client. Ayan. Ayan. So, diba? Ang sarap. Aminin mo yan. Mga constituents, papunta na tayo ngayon sa ating lokasyon, which is, our next location is in Boracay Station 1. So, we're gonna be having some coffee. Ayan, at ang fellow constituent na parehas na nag-work from home. Ayan, ayan si Kuya Bla. Kasi tayo alam mo, mga ka-constituent, ang maganda naman sa buhay natin ay kaya natin mag-work anywhere. So, yun naman na-enjoy ko talaga din. Tsaka, wala tayong specific office, ganyan. Pero, may mga tao nagtatrive sa office setup. Ayan. Kasi hindi talaga yung, alam mo yung working from anywhere or whatsoever. Maganda lang siyang tignan. Pero may mga challenges yun. Like internet, kailangan kapag, kanyari nag-travel ka, kailangan nasa stable ka lang, etc. And there are things that you should consider before you go into this industry. So, constituents, ito na to. I love it. This is caramel macchiato with this view. Caramel macchiato with this view. So today, our goal for today is actually to finish September contents for my client. And as social media manager, ang lagi kong ginagawa is first day in the morning, iniisip ko yung mga tasks na requires a lot of thinking. So, dinidivide ko yung araw ko sa thinking, clerical task, and those tasks na need ng communication. Usually, for thinking task, yung mga strategy, yung mga ganon. Tapos, yung mga clerical for me are things na ginagawa ko na paulit-ulit. Tapos, yung mga communication task like emails, etc. Usually, kasama yun sa thinking task ko kasi kailangan mo mag-coordinate, etc. So, ayun. So, ngayon, ang ginagawa ko naman is I'll edit videos. Kasi kailangan na ng client for September content. And yung pag-edit ng videos, kasama na dun yung paid ads campaign. So, I'm creating parang yung 4-hour paid ads. So, exciting ito kasi lala ng alon. Sarap ng hangin. Ang sarap ng... Oh! Oh! Lamig. You call me out upon the waters. Nakapag-edit na ako ng mga videos actually for client. Ang goal ko naman ngayon ay makapag-edit naman for the course. And because I just launched a course, diba? And dun sa course kasi na yun, lagi ko siyang ina-update. Kailangan kong mag-research about what are the latest, ganyan. So, bigyan ko kayo ng POV ng course natin. And ito yung course na sinasabi ko. So, how to be a social media manager in 7 days. Ayan. So, check natin to. Ayan. So, on Saturday, meron tayong class. Actually, which is live class for... Ayan. So, ito siya. Hindi ko pa ina-upload yung date. Ayan. Hindi ko pa ina-upload yung day 3 hanggang 7. Kasi on Saturday, we're gonna have a live class. And before, we had a workshop. Ayan yung overview niya. So, may mga orientation siya. Ayan. At marami pang iba. So, I hope makasama kayo dito sa program na ito. As social media manager, ito yung pinaka-na-enjoy ko talaga. Yung work anywhere. Yung parang kumbaga, meron tayong location freedom, financial freedom, and at the same time, the ability
to be able to do your work anywhere. So, currently, for example, nandito ko ngayon sa Boracay. Pero kanina, naging productive yung araw ko dahil nakapag-work na ako. So, tara, mag-swimming muna tayo. Ayan. So, mga constituents, so ngayon, kakainin na natin ang pinaka all-famous na pizza dito sa Two Seasons, Boracay, which is a 4-cheese pizza, ang oyster, sisig, and at the same time, yung truffle pasta. So, bibigyan ko kayo mamaya ng review at meron kayong exam mamaya. Hope you like it. Ayan. So, tingnan natin kung masarap talaga siya. Ito ating mga fellow constituents. Ayan. Constituent natin from Pasay. Ang constituent natin from CDO.
More Pasay.
Ayan.
Shoutout naman dyan sa mga
Oh, nag-shoutout yung isang constituent natin.
yan ako na to. Sa mga kaibigan namin dyan. So, ayan. Ruben, ayos kayo.
Hello. Hello mga constituents. Coco, hey. Ayan, so tikman. Manila, hindi ka ba nila? Ulan ba sa inyo pag bumubuhos dito? Paumanhin lang kita. Lyrics nun? Dito.
Saan?
Wala.
Sometimes it's late, I'm tired to move. I thank God I'm free. Come on, let's step aside. Sing with me. Here for reasons.
Sometimes my tears are down,
But I've never let me get me down.
some negativity surrounds.
Let it be.
Oh, someday we will all turn around because of my life. I've been praying for the people to say when
We don't wanna fight no more.
there'll be no more, and the children will play one day. So guys, this concludes my Boracay vlog. So hope that you like how social media manager works. Ayan. And hopefully you could follow me, mga ka-constituents ko dyan. At sabay-sabay natin itaguyod ang work from home. Bye!